Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the clear formatting option. It's a basic, most important option you should be know. So how to use it on your Microsoft Word mobile, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the clear formatting option on your Microsoft Word mobile? As I said, it is so important. So click on a blank document, and now I'm just going to type as text here and just selecting the text, and I'm just going to apply bold, italic, underline, and also strike, and also changing the font size, and also changing the text effect, and also the coloring also we can just change like this or change like a blue. Okay, we applied more formatting option. I just want to recover the or I want to clear all the formatting option on the text. So instead of doing turning off everything, or instead of doing undo option, you will see a option here on the text format option. You can see option called clear formatting. Just click this, which actually turns the text to the normal portion when it's started to the original portion. So this is the most important tool for removing the all the formatting option on the text and brings back to its original content. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.